also ask me about the pictures, I always say, when the Ibiza pictures came, you'll ask me. And then I guess जब मैंने Rockstar में चलाई थी.
Ranbir, hi.
Hi.
The female version of I don't know the Hero Pleasure bike is the brand has signed up Alia Bhatt for this the female version for this bike. So in future, do we see you maybe doing an ad with her because she categorically says on camera that she loves you a lot?
Wow, I would love to do a movie with Alia, not just an ad film. She's extremely talented. I've loved her work in all of the movies that I've seen of hers. I wasn't aware that she was signed as this. She was okay. Congratulations. But yeah, I would love to do a whole film with her.
Okay, and talking about love, I think this question really doesn't leave you anywhere
No, it doesn't. Yeah.
any press conference. So we've asked you this umpteen time. Maybe I'll just ask you directly. There have been reports that you and Katrina have shifted together and are living in. How true are those reports?
Like I said a couple of days back also, you guys were there at the Lekar Hum Deewana Dil. I don't know how many of you all were there. That the house I live with my parents, we're going into redevelopment. So when you go into redevelopment, the people staying in the house, they have to move out. So that house can get redeveloped. Who I'm moving in with, who I'm staying with, who I'm not staying with is, I would like to keep that personal because I'm unmarried. The day I get married, I will openly speak about it. I've always maintained that. But eventually, yes, there were so many stories, so many conjectures that I'm leaving my parents and my father has said this, get out of the house. So I feel really bad, my life has become like a reality show and my parents are old now, I don't want them to read such stuff about them because it's embarrassing for them and all of that. But yes, we have to move out of the house because we're going to redevelopment.
One more thing which doesn't leave you is the pictures which whenever you go, abroad, and yours and Katrina's pictures always come about in publications. So South Africa, you guys went there, you and Katrina were there, we got the pictures. So, still you would want to keep mom on the thing whenever we ask you that, are you and Katrina seeing each other?
No, actually, whenever you also ask me about the pictures, I always say, when the Ibiza pictures came, you all asked me questions, I spoke about it. Now we're doing a movie together. We were shooting Jaga Jasoos in Cape Town. So of course, pictures will come out and we both are actors. That's all I have to say.
Ranveer,
Hi. Ma'am, I think I'm nobody to hold court where I'm nobody to say what is right or what is wrong. It depends on who you are as a person, depends what your principles and values are. Personally, I don't feel there's anything wrong in it. I think we live in a time and especially people of my generation, they all have a clear mindset of how they want to live their lives. I have nothing against living relationships.
रणवीर हमेशा आप अपने रिलेशनशिप को लेकर बहुत क्लियर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब भी कटरीना की बात होती है आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ वहाँ बातें करते हैं, बट रियलिटी बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स हैं जो नए हैं लेकिन वो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, जैसे सोहाली खान हो गई, कई लोग हैं, तो बेबो हो गई, बेबो ने तो पहले स्टार्टिंग में ही कबूल करे, तो क्या रीज़न है कि आप सबको पता है फिर भी आप नहीं बोलना चाहते, इस पे चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं?
मोहतरमा जी, मुझे पता नहीं सबको क्या पता है और क्या 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 या आप एक सेकंड, उनका क्वेश्चन है ना, आप प्लीज़ वेट कीजिए. तो मुझे पता नहीं सबको क्या क्या पता है, बट लाइक आई सेड, सबकी लाइफ उनकी लाइफ होती है. बहुत कुछ लिखा जाता है आपके बारे में. पहले जब आई शू स्पीक अबाउट माई रिलेशनशिप, दैट बिकेम द टॉकिंग पॉइंट ऑफ माई लाइफ. मैं एक्टर हूँ, आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई करियर, अभी 7 साल हो गए. So I would really like, when I come to press conferences like that, you all ask me about Bombay Velvet, you ask me about am I over the Besharam failure. But जब ऐसे questions बार-बार आते, then you feel कि यार this has become your life. People are only interested to know about that. So like I said, all I have to do is I guess work harder कि आप और आपके सामने जो मैडम बैठी है, वो आप मुझे मेरे फिल्मों के बारे में बात करें. I think that's more important than my personal life.
Ranbir,
yes. नहीं मैम, पोस्टर आउट नहीं हुआ. एक्चुअली दैट्स अ फैन मेड पोस्टर किसी ने बनाया है. जगह जासूस अगले साल आई थिंक मई एंड को रिलीज़ होगी. सो ना हमने पोस्टर रिलीज़ किया है ना कुछ अनाउंस किया है. जो अगली फिल्म मेरी है वो बॉम्बे वेलवेट है, उसका पोस्टर अभी बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है.